Welcome back to our ongoing educational series discussing the advantages a construction cost database can present within the real estate and construction lifecycle. Today we will spend time looking at how a construction cost database plays into the pre-construction stage of a project's lifecycle. Let's get started. During this stage, typically the owner will begin to develop and define project details with a greater emphasis on individual project costs. A costs database based on relevancy can provide an owner with several options. The first option is beneficial if the owner has costs for a proposed project. Fulcrum can utilize costs provided by the owner to conduct a cross-check within the database and assess proposed costs to provide comfort that the costs are reasonable. There are two types of reports within this stage that can be of benefit. Here is an example of a cost estimating service report. It is important to note that with this type of report, Fulcrum was provided with a detailed scope of work. We are then able to take that scope of work and plug into our database, in which relevant projects based on scope and location are generated, and with that, a detailed hard costs breakdown for each. With the help of the database and Fulcrum's knowledge of the current market trends, we can then determine a reasonable cost estimate. Now let's take a look at another type of report. A plan and cost review generally provides the owner with an overall risk assessment that evaluates various construction health factors of a particular project during the pre-construction stage of a real estate and construction lifecycle. These health factors typically relate to time, quality, and costs. Keying into the costs of a project, Fulcrum utilizes its cost database to compare comparable projects in evaluating the general health or reasonableness of the costs for a particular project. The benefits to this type of report help the owner, various stakeholders, and construction financing entities understand the overall risk of the project prior to finalizing the source of funds available for development and/or redevelopment. As we conclude our educational series, we want to thank you all for watching. We truly hope that with this series, you were able to understand the purpose behind a construction cost database and the value it potentially can add in the early stages of the real estate and construction lifecycle. Fulcrum has compiled in-house an extensive cost database in which we truly believe can add value to any project. Follow our LinkedIn page for more upcoming educational series. For additional inquiries or to contact us, please visit our website at fulcrumcompany.com. See you next time.